In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes to your design in Canva. Adding notes is a simple but powerful way to keep track of ideas, instructions, or reminders right inside your design file. This is especially helpful if you're collaborating with others, or if you just want to remember what to tweak later without cluttering the actual design. First, open your design in Canva as you normally would. Make sure you're in the editor view where you can see your pages, the toolbar at the top, and your design in the middle of the screen. Now, to access the notes, look toward the bottom left corner of the Canva editor. Down there, you'll see a small icon labeled Notes. It can be easy to overlook because it's not part of the main design tools, but this is where all your page notes live. Go ahead and click on that Notes icon. When you do, a panel will open up, usually beneath your current page. This area is dedicated just for notes related to that specific page of your design. Think of it like a little notebook attached to each page. Inside this notes section, click into the empty space and start typing whatever you need. You might add reminders like, change this headline later, or instructions such as client wants this image replaced, or even a short script if you're designing a slide presentation. The key idea is that everything you type here stays behind the scenes. It will not appear on the final design itself. You can add as many notes as you like, and you can come back and edit them anytime. If you're working with a team, these notes are a great place to leave comments for collaborators about what needs to be updated or checked. When you're done typing, you don't have to save anything manually. Canva automatically saves your notes along with your design. If the notes panel is getting in your way, just click the notes icon again to hide it. Your notes will still be there the next time you open it. That's really all there is to it. By clicking on the notes icon at the bottom left and using that space to write down your thoughts, you keep your workflow organized and your